one is easy. The name of the protein is a gift from the sea. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we've got the word called BALIQ. BALIQ. BALIQ is, you got that, fish or fish meat. Now, brief phrases and sentences. Fresh fish or grilled fish. Təzə BALIQ, təzə fresh, straightforward. Qril edilmiş, grill is grill. Qril edilmiş, grilled BALIQ. Sentences. Səhər tezdən bazara gedib təzə balıq seçdim. Çünki bu axşam limonlu və göyərtili yüngül bir yemək hazırlamağı planlaşdırıram. Early in the morning, I went to the market to choose fresh fish because I plan to cook a light urban lemon dinner this evening. Early in the morning, səhər tezdən bazara gedib, went to the market, təzə balıq seçdim. Choose, or well, you can say I chose, but the right translation, I went to the market to choose fresh fish. Bazara gedib təzə balıq seçdim. Choose, seçdim. Well, literally it means I chose in the past. Çünki, because, bu axşam, this evening, limonlu və göyərtili with urban lemon, yüngül, light, bir yemək hazırlamağı planlaşdırıram. I plan to cook. Next one. Yayda dostlarla həyətdə qril edilmiş balıq bişirəndə üstünə yüngül sous və qovrulmuş tərəvəzlər əlavə etsək, dadı daha da gözəl olar. Let's see, olur. Well, it doesn't say would be better, it says it is better. Olar, here, dadı daha da gözəl olar. It would have been better, but dadı daha da gözəl olur. It is better. Let's see how. Yayda, in summer, dostlarla, with friends, həyətdə, in the yard, qril edilmiş balıq bişirəndə, when we cook grilled fish, üstünə, meaning on top, qovrulmuş tərəvəzlər, roasted vegetables, əlavə etsək, if we add, yüngül sauce, light sauce, dadı, the taste, daha da gözəl olur. It tastes even better. All right? Today's word was BALIQ. Let's see how else we can use it, find ways. I swear I can cook. The smoke alarm just prefers BALIQ. To support in your journey, I have built masterazerbaijani.com, where I've been posting blogs every 10 days since November 2025. Feel free to check it out because I post on multiple topics, including language and grammar. Additionally, I have built Master Azerbaijani app that is available in Google Store and App Store. Feel free to check it out, download, and start learning with Module 1. It is the foundational module that I highly recommend to do multiple times to nail it down. I'm also giving away the vocabulary in all modules there, plus future modules for free. Check those out, otherwise come back tomorrow for a new word. Cheers.